Hello guys, can you delete your Chase Bank transaction history? In this video, we'll be answering the question and what alternatives you could take. So Chase Bank is legally obligated to maintain transaction records for various reasons, including fraud prevention, compliance, customer service, and tax reporting. So the short answer is no, because you cannot delete it. But if you do need to submit a physical form of your bank transaction history, where you only need to show your monthly inflow and outflow, you could use a marker to redact certain transactions you wish to keep private. However, you can also choose to close your Chase Bank account. If you decide to close your account, you should consider the following. You will no longer have access to your funds, you also need to find a new bank, and you may be charged a fee for closing your account. So if you're considering closing your Chase Bank account, you should contact Chase Bank directly to discuss your options. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.